Hello everybody and welcome to Explorer Hub. Today we have a trapezoidal prism in front of us and our job is to calculate the volume of the trapezoidal prism. So we know that the formula for the volume of the shape is the volume is equal to the area multiplied by the depth of the 3D shape. So we know right off the bat that the depth is 5 centimeters, but we still need to calculate the area. So the area is equal to A plus B divided by 2 times the height. So we can substitute in our values and we get the area is equal to 3 plus 6. As we can see, 3 is A and 6 is B, divided by 2 times the height, which is 2 centimeters. As we can see here, the height is 2. And so now we'll just continue to simplify. So the area is equal to 9 divided by 2 times 2. Therefore, the area is equal to 9 centimeters squared. So since we have the area, which is 9 centimeters squared, and we have the depth, which is 5 centimeters squared, the volume is equal to 9 centimeters squared times 5 centimeters, area times depth, which is equal to 45 centimeters cubed. Therefore, the volume is 45 centimeters cubed. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next lesson.